In this video, I will show you how to activate GBP withdrawal on your crypto.com. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app, and then you need to click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. Then on this screen you have to click on this fiat wallet, and after that you have to click on this setup new currency button from this screen. And from this list of your currencies, you have to select British pound. After that you have to click on this box and then click on this next. Then you have to provide your details to verify your identity. So you have to provide all the information that is listed in this area. So just click on get started and then provide the details, and once you do that, your GBP or British pound will be added in your crypto.com. After that you can click on this transfer button and then click on this withdraw, and then you can simply scroll down and check the how much you can withdraw from your GBP, and you can simply click on withdraw now button to withdraw your GBP from your crypto.com. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.